What's up, y'all? So right here we're taking a ferry, guys. Taking the ferry across the river. There was a wreck on the highway we were going to. So we're going right over there. That's pretty cool how he pivoted around. The boat was facing that way, guys, and he did a reverse or sideways bend, and it flipped around, and now it's facing this way. That's pretty cool. It's called the Deborah A, guys. This is pretty cool. And the ferry's full too, guys. It's packed full.
I mean, two more cars
could have came. But awesome, guys. This is the first time we took a ferry. I guess you can get out of your car. I didn't know you could. Hey, can we get out? Huh?
Please don't go swimming.
Oh, we won't. All right, guys. Check it out. Ah, that's cool. Check it out. Hell yeah. First time we took a ferry. Pretty awesome. Look at all the barges down there, guys. Pretty cool. Pretty neat. But yeah, it was pretty cool the way the tugboat pivoted. It was pretty cool. It pivoted on that big pivot thing right there. The whole thing. Boom. And he spun around this way and started going. The side of the boat, his boat though, hit the ferry pretty hard. I was like, wow. I'm sure. Yeah, I figured as much. Yeah. Tires. Save the day. There's already cars over here waiting to go. I know exactly where we are, Michelle. Look, no, what I'm saying though, it's right up that hill, that job I did. Yeah, yeah, right there, right where I did that job at. That's hilarious. Right up the, yeah, it was a long time ago. But it's a big giant hill. We're pulling in the dock. He's gonna have to hit reverse too to stop us.
And we took a ferry to Disneyland with the kids.
Oh, we did, didn't we?
And me and you took a ferry from New Orleans to Old Tremaine.
Oh yeah, so this is the third time we've been on a ferry. I lied, guys. We've been on a ferry 3 times. This is the third time. Yeah, we took one back down in Walt Disney World, and then we took another one down in New Orleans.
We wasn't on a car. This is the first car one.
Yeah, this is the first car one. But all right, guys, I just wanted to share our fun time. Y'all take it easy. News Now, I'm out, guys.